Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Peak Design mobile tripod. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just love capturing moments on your phone, this tripod is an absolute game changer, so let's dive into it. So this is the Peak Design mobile tripod. As you can see right off the bat, it's sleek, compact, and beautifully designed. Thanks to Peak Design's signature SlimLink magnetic technology, this thing is truly a game changer. One thing to note is you do need to have a Peak Design case, or you need to buy one of their universal adapters to put on your phone, because this does run on their patented SlimLink magnetic technology. You can't use it with other devices. Tiny powerhouse weighs just 2.68 ounces and folds down to the size of a credit card. It's made from anodized aluminum, plus there's rubberized feet for stability. Another cool feature is the built-in ball head. It allows for 360-degree rotation, meaning that you've got the perfect angle every time. You can easily switch between portrait and landscape modes, which makes it perfect for both photography and videography. Another thoughtful feature is this built-in ball head adjuster. So you just push down here, it pops out, and from there you can adjust the ball head if you want to make it a little bit tighter. The best part is that it's always handy if you need to use it. One of my favorite features is how compact it is. Depending on how you want to use it, if you're like me, I just keep it on the back of my phone all the time, but if you'd like to carry it or pack it, it folds up nice and easily, super slim, you can toss it in your pocket, and it even comes with this little Peak Design carrying case to make it easy to pack no matter where you're headed. Peak Design is known for their high quality gear, and this is no exception. I've been using this mobile tripod now for almost 3 years. Considering I've had this on the back of my phone pretty much straight for the last 3 years, it's really not that banged up. And the few marks that are on it are honestly my fault. I've dropped this thing so many times. If you're in the market for a new phone case, highly recommend Peak Designs. This is their Nomad case. And no joke, over the summer, twice in like the span of 24 hours, I dropped my phone on the streets of London. First time was my fault. I tripped, it went flying. Thank God it was fine. Second time, I was in London using my mobile tripod. I was holding it like this because I was filming a vlog, and a bike came and tried to steal my phone out of my hands, but because it was on this tripod, it just kind of pulled. And as they were trying to bike away with it, the magnet did drop it, but because it was harder for them to grab, it ended up falling to the ground. So it literally saved my phone from being stolen in London. Obviously, can't make that guarantee for you, but oh my God, was I lucky. This thing, I cannot live without it. While it's not perfect because it does add a little bit of weight to your phone, and some people do complain about the steep price tag, this mobile tripod to me is more than worth it. I'm obsessed. Honestly, it's my favorite piece of gear that I have. I cannot recommend this enough. I think everybody needs to have one of these on their phone, especially solo travelers, because there's nothing worse than being somewhere and you see the perfect photo and there's no one to help you take it. This little guy, he's always there for you. Whether you're taking photos, videos, or even just want to watch something on your phone during a long flight, this little guy right here is a total game changer. In fact, I think most of the time when people ask me what this is, it happens generally in airports. And it's when somebody notices that I'm sitting like this, watching my film, not having to hold my camera or balance it on whatever's in front of me. Overall, the Peak Design mobile tripod is portable, versatile, and incredibly durable. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please head to the link in the description below. And if you'd like to hear more about my experience with the Peak Design mobile tripod, feel free to head to my website, alitravels.com. I've got a link for you below. I've got a full review of my experience with this Peak Design product, as well as others. So what do you think? Is the Peak Design mobile tripod worth the investment? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye!